Hey guys, where's Agar here and Liam O'Connor getting pumped up for this Sunday against the Brisbane Heat for the Nickelodeon game, and we're going to have a little bit of a slime challenge for you.
Scissors, paper, rock, me v Wes, winner apparently gets slimed. Here we go.
Hopefully I lose. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah! Woo! Rock, paper, scissors. Damn it!
One vote.
This is it, the last one. Rock, paper, scissors. No, yes!
As we know, we just found out Wes was the eventual winner of the slime challenge today, but here at the Strikers we do everything as a team, so I'll be joining him as the slime partner today with Wes.
Slime, 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 slime,
Good on you, mate. As a team, had a lot of fun here today. Make sure you get down on Sunday to watch us take on the Heat. Woohoo! I wanted to stay in the slide. I want to do some slime angels. Oh, I love this.
Does not come there.
Yeah,